wonder what is true freedom? Often people mistaken true freedom as doing what we want, without boundaries, without law and order. As some people might have mistaken and associate Montessori children is. Or for some, instead of helping their child to develop the inner discipline, parents find it difficult to allow their children the opportunity to earn independence and freedom, as parents felt that they cannot be in control if these traits are developed. They have problems with Montessori because they simply cannot find the balance between order and chaos. Montessori education seeks to develop true freedom. Freedom is often linked with responsibility. As parents, our control will decrease as we can feel confident that a child's self-discipline increases. And that's Montessori. Montessori parenting is about partnership parenting, being free to do what we ought to do within the limits of responsibility is true freedom. Dr. Maria Montessori saw that good functional skills were imperative for the child to be able to function freely in the classroom, home, or world. In the Montessori classroom, the child who disturbs other child will find his activity restricted. There is a fundamental difference between curiosity and true choice. With curiosity, a child is drawn towards an object, but once the curiosity is satisfied, the child acts in order to grow by exploring instead of only to know. Thus, with the prepared environment and the trained teachers, the child discovers more of the activity, and this is where self-learning, true learning begins. This helps the child like what they do instead of doing what they like. Thus, allow your child to seek true freedom. Is your child seeking true freedom today in your preschool? Is your child learning to know or learning to grow? More of Montessori? Follow us on all our social media platforms and stay tuned.